This is Jamie. They own a manufacturing company near Lake Ontario. When it rains, water floods the parking lot and muddies the loading bays. It flows off the property and carries pollutants into the storm sewers. Last year, Jamie had to close the warehouse when it flooded. The repairs were costly and productivity went down. Staff avoid sitting outside in the summer because of the heat. The picnic tables are in full sun. Jamie knows their property affects the environment and staff well-being. They're also worried about how climate change might increase flood risk and productivity loss. Jamie's property needs sustainable landscaping. Sustainable landscaping enhances the environment. It offers Jamie opportunities to create climate resilience and long-term social and economic value. Here's how. Lawn care is costly and doesn't benefit employees or wildlife. Replacing lawn with native trees and flower gardens adds beauty and supports pollinators and birds. Trees also provide shade and clean the air. Green roofs can slow and redirect rainwater away from parking lots to prevent pollution and flooding. Permeable and grid paving in parking lots let water soak into the ground rather than pooling and eroding gravel drives. Catch basin inserts can reduce pollution and debris from reaching our lakes and rivers. Jamie doesn't need to make big changes right away. Small actions can create value. But where to start? Luckily, Credit Valley Conservation's Greening Corporate Grounds program can help Jamie make the best sustainable landscaping decisions for their property. All Jamie has to do is contact Greening Corporate Grounds to arrange a free consultation. It's that easy. To learn more, visit cvc.ca/GCG.